Hi guys, it's Jean and it's my first time to sing with CCR. So just consider me this is my very simple cover. Okay? It is Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Karaoke version. That's this. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, as an old as on the day, I know, shining down like a water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is on. I know that way for all my time, till forever all that goes to the circle fast and slow. I know I can't stop, I wonder. Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on the sun?